Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to enable portable hotspot. So first of all, let's begin with some customizations. And in order to do that, so open the settings. Then on the very first position we've got a network and internet, and let's choose hotspot and tethering. Here let's choose the Wi-Fi hotspot. As you can see, now it is off. To turn it on, simply click on the switcher right next to it. It is on now. Here we've got some options to customize. For example, we can change the hotspot name. Now it is Motorola Edge, but you can freely type anything you want. For example, something like this. Click on OK. As you can see, the name has been successfully changed. Also, you can hide your device. Let's click on Advanced. What's more, you can also change the hotspot password. Let's click on it. Let's delete it and type your new password. Remember that it should contain at least 8 characters, and it should be rather complicated. Click on OK, and it has been changed. As you can see, you can also customize if you want to turn off hotspot automatically if no devices are connected to it. Okay, let's get back. And this is how you customize the portable hotspot. If you want to turn it on after hold customization faster, then simply unroll the top bar once again, and let's find the hotspot icon. Okay, we do not have the hotspot icon here, but no worries. If you do not have one also, simply click on this edit icon. Let's find the hotspot and click on it, hold, and drag it here. As you can see, we've just added the hotspot, so let's get back and check if we have it here. Of course we have. So if you want to turn it off, because it is now on, then simply click on it. And that's all. To turn it on, do the same, click on it. So that's all. This is how you enable portable hotspot in your Motorola Edge. I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.